Good afternoon. Good evening. Dave here. Hope everybody's having a good Sunday afternoon. Spending it safe and well with your family and friends. Yesterday it got pretty hectic. Yesterday got pretty hectic. It's like what you would say. The cat got your tongue type of way. Well, I would say yesterday the devil was loose. Um, Apparently yesterday morning, it had rained a lot. Let me put on my glasses. It rained a lot yesterday. It rained pretty much. It rained to the point that it got flooded pretty hard. As I woke up, because I work nights, the boss had called me and said, come in early because one of my friends' truck got bottomed out at a certain ranch, and I need for you to take one of the drivers and the tractor and escort it to that ranch and take him out of the mud. Then, okay, no big deal. So by the time I got to work, picked up the driver, escorted the tractor back another 6 miles, 7 miles away from the ranch. And you can see the video. It's a previous video that I had posted on YouTube, where the tractor getting pulled out. The tractor's pulling out the truck. It was a Ford F-150. Not that it makes any difference. I've seen Chevy trucks and Dodge trucks get stuck in the mud also, and they were all four-wheel drive. So I'm not giving any preference on vehicles. On the way back, there was a wrecker. It pretty much flagged us down, or the driver of the wrecker driver. He said, I tried going into this road because there's 3 more people that are stuck inside. They were trying to get to a lake area out here just west of Lago Vista on it's a county road. It's pretty muddy. So I was able to tell the driver. I told the driver of the tractor, go ahead and pull out that wrecker. He said, ma'am, you're not going to be able to put that wrecker through there because it's terrible. I mean, I have a 4-wheel drive and I wouldn't even go through there. I have no idea why they even went in there. But on the way back, it was getting dark naturally. On the way back, another of one of the company employees got his Chevy truck stuck. So, after we pulled out the wrecker, we went out there and pulled him out also. Push comes to shove, by the time we were done, it was pretty much about 11 o'clock in the evening last night. And lo and behold, I was locking up the gates of the ranch and so forth, and I came by and parked exactly here where I'm at. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see through the lens. There's still water in the fields, but I was parked here, relaxing. I was listening to some music, reminiscing the day of how we were able to pull this day through. I mean, my gosh, it was muddy. My truck, I normally always give it a car wash every day. It looked like hell. It was muddy back then. I mean, you couldn't even recognize my truck. It was all full of mud. And I'm relaxing like this, so I'm not asleep or anything, but I see some people coming down the road with their high beams on. It was like 10 vehicles, high rate of speed. It was like, my gosh, don't these people know that there's a county road, and these county roads are messy right now? They're muddy, they're full of water, they're muddy, they're very slippery. I mean, any sort of speed, and these guys are going to lose control, and cause an accident or be in an accident themselves. Well, lo and behold, I see about 10 ATVs swinging right in front of me, zoom, and two state troopers, two Tahoes, 2 Texas state troopers in pursuit right behind them. It was like, oh my gosh. I hope they don't. I hope they break off the pursuit, because when they get up to the corner over there, to the intersection, which is a T because it's a dead end, they either got to go left or right. Either way they go, left or right, that road right there is the most terrible road right now. It's ugly. I mean, I had to go through there and put my truck on four-wheel drive, 4 low, just to get through. It's terrible. The mud is terrible. There's a lot of water. I mean, I almost thought that I was going to get stuck myself. I hope those two state troopers disregard their pursuit and realize that they're going into a very dangerous zone. And sure enough, several ATVs went east, several ATVs went west. So they had figured, you know what, we're just going to go and disregard this, which I'm glad. And one of them was coming back and kind of slowed down and saw my truck parked at night. You know, I didn't have my lights on or anything. I'm just, I'm parked in the property. And he's driving down the road. Before he gets to the shop, he kind of goes around a big puddle that's in the roadway and stops there. So I'm like, I guess maybe he's waiting for his other partner. And here comes his other partner coming up to him, and they park right there. It's like, that's a nice place to park. I mean, there's no traffic on this road, so this road pretty much on the east side and the west side, we practically own all these fields, so we pretty much basically own the road. So I figured, let me go see what's going on. So I drive up over there, and as I'm coming up closer, I realize that the state trooper wanted to go around the puddle, but it was a female state trooper. She went into the ditch and couldn't get out anymore. She got stuck, and I was like, oh my gosh. So the other state trooper comes up to me. He said, can you help us? He said, yes, of course I can help you. My partner got stuck in the mud. He said, yeah, I can see that. Let me go to the shop real quick, and I'll pick up a chain. And I pretty much pulled them out through the back. Very simple. Just put it on 4 high, drive. Just told the lady, just leave it on neutral. Let me do everything for you. So I pretty much pulled them out. Within seconds, the Tahoe was in safety of the road now. They were very grateful. She was worried that maybe her supervisor was going to find out and she was going to get reprimanded and so forth, and blah, blah, blah. But look, you guys should always be safe, and I'm glad I was around to help you guys out, and I'll do it again. I am pro law enforcement. Before I became a farmer, I spent 35 years as a police officer here in the state of Texas. I was deputy sheriff, and then went on to be with the constable's office and so forth till I retired. So, they were like surprised. They're like, wow, they're dealing with an ex-cop. They're dealing with a retired police officer. So they're very grateful. So you guys are welcome to come around. We've always had problems with the ATVs. We called the sheriff's office. They never catch them. He said, I didn't think you guys would have caught them. That road right there is so muddy that you would have caused an accident. You might have flipped over at the speed that you were going. They're very grateful. They left, and that's pretty much. I was like, wow, we had an eventful day yesterday, from pulling people out, pulling out a wrecker, pulling out a truck, pulling out another vehicle, bringing the tractor back, dropping off the company employees, and finally just settle down and relax, just to realize that there's 10 ATVs driving by quickly right in front of you, being pursued by the state police. It's something that I wish I would have had the video on, but it's very hard to see night stuff. I mean, you got to really have everything lighted up in order to be able to see something well. But anyways, that's my take for today. Today is Sunday, September the 6th, 2020. Y'all have a safe Sunday. Maintain your social your social distancing. Let's get rid of this virus. And may God bless all of you. It's Dave signing away until see what happens. See if anything happens today or tomorrow. And I'll be back with you guys. So, goodbye, or arrivederci is the way the Germans say it. Okay, y'all have a good one.